So I've just given that a wipe with a slightly damp soft cloth and it's come right off. This is my personal bag I've been using all year. I'll show you the condition of the leather because I don't treat it awfully, but I don't treat it too carefully either. So the bottom's a bit grubby, so I'll just give it a wipe off again. That's Vaughn's plasticine over there on the table. He's always making things. So as you can see, it's pretty good nick. Actually, there's a bit of dirt on there from under the pram yesterday on a walk, and it actually fell out of the pram this week on a road. I was going across some tram lines and it fell out under the pram, and I actually even ran it over with the pram, and I actually can't even see, I'm not saying the leather's invincible to be run over with a pram and fall out on asphalt, but I can't even actually see where there's any damage from it. So it's actually a pretty hardy leather. To skid on a road and be run over is a pretty good effort. So inside my bag, I've just pulled the little perfect clutch back out. So I've got pipe cleaners and textures, 2 colouring books. There'll be bits and bobs in the zip pocket, probably little post-it notes and other textures and stuff, and stickers to play with is what I usually keep in there because I have all my personal stuff in the Orbit. So I've got a hat in there, motorbike, pouch, some snacks, and more snacks. And I've got a little pair of tracky pants, jocks and socks, and a t-shirt, a long sleeve t-shirt. So that was all just in this large pocket at the front. Then in the other large pocket, I like to keep my wipes just because it's so easy to grab them out with one hand when they're in that pocket. And this quite large, really, sack of, I keep a little sack of, that's everything I think that's in there. Yep, that's everything that's in there at the moment. So I keep quite a large amount of toys in a little sack so that if we're going somewhere where I don't really need them, I can whip them out. So all that fits in really easily. I'll pop it back in and show you how much room there is, and then you could pack a heap more as well.